Hello and welcome to English with Mr. E. We're going to master grammar, listening, and speaking together.
Welcome to Mr. English Tales.
Today, we are going on a trip to the countryside.
I am excited. I am Leo.
And I am Sarah. Let's learn English together.
Sarah, I am ready. I have my bag.
Great, Leo. Do you have the tickets?
Yes, I have them right here in my hand.
Good. We need to be careful with the tickets.
Why? Are they very important?
Yes, without tickets, we cannot get on the train.
I see. I will put them safely in my pocket.
That is a smart idea. Is the train coming soon?
Let me look at the big clock. It is 9 o'clock.
Our train arrives at 9:15.
So we have 15 minutes to wait.
Exactly. We can wait here on the platform.
Platform? What is a platform, Sarah?
A platform is the place where people wait for the train.
Oh, like this long floor next to the tracks?
Yes, that is right. This is platform number 4.
Look, Sarah, I see smoke in the distance.
That must be our train. It is arriving now.
It is so big and loud. I feel a little nervous.
Don't be nervous, Leo. Traveling by train is fun.
Okay, the train has stopped. Let's go inside.
Look for our seat numbers. We are in carriage 5.
Carriage? You mean the different parts of the train?
Yes, each big box of the train is called a carriage.
I found it. Seat number 22 and 23.
Perfect. Sit by the window, Leo.
Thank you, Sarah. I love looking out the window.
The train is starting to move. Look at the houses.
They are moving so fast. Goodbye, houses.
Now we are leaving the city. Do you see the change?
Yes, I see fewer buildings and more trees.
That is the beginning of the countryside.
The grass is so green, it looks like a carpet.
That is a beautiful way to say it, Leo. A green carpet.
Sarah, what are those big white things in the field?
Those are sheep. They have thick wool.
Wool. Is that used to make my warm sweater?
Yes, exactly. Farmers cut the wool to make clothes.
The sheep look like fluffy clouds on the grass.
You are very poetic today, Leo.
Poetic? What does poetic mean?
It means you are describing things in a beautiful way.
Oh, thank you. I want to learn many beautiful words.
Look over there. There is a small river.
The water is sparkling in the sun.
Sparkling means it is shining with bright light.
Sparkling. S-P-A-R-K-L-I-N-G. I got it.
Leo, we are arriving at our station. Get your bag.
I have my bag. I have the tickets, too.
We can leave the tickets now. The trip is over.
Look at the station. It is so small and quiet.
This is a village station. It is not busy like the city.
I can hear birds singing. It is very peaceful.
Peaceful means calm and without any noise.
I like peaceful places. My head feels light.
Look, there is Farmer Brown. He is waiting for us.
He is wearing a very big hat.
That is a straw hat. It protects him from the sun.
Hello, Farmer Brown. It is nice to meet you.
Farmer Brown says he is happy to see us.
He has a very big truck. Can we sit in the back?
Yes, we can sit in the back of the truck.
Wow, the road is very bumpy.
Bumpy means the road is not smooth. It goes up and down.
Up and down. This is like a ride.
We are entering the farm now. Look at the gates.
The gates are made of wood. They are very tall.
Welcome to the Green Valley Farm, Leo.
It is huge. Where are the vegetables?
They are in the garden behind the house.
Let's go there. I want to see the tomatoes.
Look at these plants. The tomatoes are bright red.
Can I pick one? I'm a little hungry.
Ask Farmer Brown first. He says yes, you can.
I will pick the biggest one. It feels warm.
That is because it has been in the sun all day.
It is so juicy and sweet, much better than the shop.
That is because it is fresh from the garden.
What are those green leaves in the soil?
Those are carrots, but you cannot see the carrot yet.
Why not? Is it hiding?
Yes, carrots grow under the ground in the dirt.
That is strange. So we have to dig them up?
Exactly. We use a tool called a spade to dig.
I want to try. I want to find a carrot.
Be careful not to break the carrot. Pull it gently.
Gently. Okay. Look, I found a long orange carrot.
Well done, Leo. You are a good farmer.
I am proud of my orange carrot. It is very crunchy.
Now let's go to the barn. I want to show you the horses.
The barn? Is that the big red building?
Yes, a barn is where animals sleep and eat.
It smells like dry grass in here.
That smell is hay. Hay is dried grass for the animals.
Look at that horse. It is so tall and brown.
That is a stallion. He is very strong.
Can I touch his hair? It looks very soft.
You can pet him, but move slowly. Don't scare him.
I am moving slowly. Hello, Mr. Horse.
He likes you, Leo. See how he moves his ears?
His skin feels very smooth. What do horses eat?
They eat grass, hay, and sometimes apples or carrots.
Can I give him my carrot?
Yes, but keep your hand flat, like this.
That feels funny. His tongue is very big.
He is saying thank you for the delicious snack.
Horses are very friendly animals.
They are also very intelligent. They can learn many things.
Intelligent. That means smart, right?
Yes, intelligent and smart mean the same thing.
Sarah, I hear a cluck-cluck sound.
Those are the chickens. They live in the chicken coop.
Chicken coop? That is a funny name.
A coop is a small house for birds.
Look, there are many eggs in the straw.
The farmer wants us to collect the eggs for breakfast.
Collect? You mean pick them up and put them in a basket?
Yes, but be very careful. Eggs are fragile.
Fragile. What does that mean?
It means they break very easily if you drop them.
I will be very, very careful. I don't want to break them.
Put them in the basket slowly, one by one.
1, 2, 3. I have 6 eggs now.
6 eggs is enough. We can make a big omelet.
I love omelets, especially with fresh eggs.
Leo, do you want to see the stream?
What is a stream? Is it like a lake?
No, a stream is a very small river. The water moves fast.
Let's go. I want to splash in the water.
The water might be a little bit chilly.
Chilly? Is that different from cold?
Chilly means it is cold enough to make you shiver.
I don't mind. I like cold water on a hot day.
Look, the water is so clear, you can see the stones.
The stones are very smooth and round.
Those are called pebbles. The water makes them smooth over time.
Pebbles. P-E-B-B-L-E-S. I like that word.
Oh, the water is very chilly.
I told you, but it feels refreshing.
Refreshing. That means it gives you new energy.
I feel very refreshed now. I can run for miles.
Don't run too far. It is almost time for lunch.
What are we having for lunch, Sarah?
The farmer Brown's wife is making fresh bread and soup.
Homemade bread? I love the smell of baking bread.
Yes, it is much better than bread from a factory. Why is it better? Because it is made with love and simple ingredients.
Ingredients? You mean the things used to make the food?
Exactly, like flour, water, and salt.
Lunch was delicious. I am very full now.
It is good to rest after a big meal.
Can we sit under that big oak tree?
Yes, the shade will keep us cool.
The tree is so old. Look at its thick trunk.
This tree has been here for over 100 years.
100 years? That is ancient.
Ancient. That is a great word for something very old.
I am learning so many new words today.
Let's recap some of them. Do you remember scenery?
Yes, scenery is the beautiful view of nature.
And what about fragile?
Fragile means something that breaks easily, like an egg.
And what about bumpy?
Bumpy is when the road goes up and down and is not smooth.
Excellent, Leo. You have a very good memory.
Thank you, Sarah. I am trying my best.
Look at the sky. The sun is starting to go down.
The sky is turning orange and pink. It is beautiful.
That is the sunset. It means the day is ending.
I am sad to leave the farm. I like it here.
Don't be sad. We can come back again soon.
Really? Can we come back in the summer?
Of course. In the summer, there will be more fruits.
I want to pick strawberries and watermelons.
That sounds like a wonderful plan.
Farmer Brown is waving goodbye to us.
Let's wave back. Goodbye, Farmer Brown.
Goodbye. Thank you for the carrots and the eggs.
Now let's head back to the train station.
I am tired, but I am very happy.
That is the sign of a good adventure.
I have a lot of stories to tell my friends.
You can tell them in English.
Yes, I will say, I went to a farm and it was magnificent.
Magnificent. Wow, that is a very advanced word.
I learned it from our Mr. English Tales lessons.
I am very proud of you.
And I am happy to have you as my friend, Sarah.
Here comes the train. Let's get on and go home.
Goodbye, countryside. See you next time.
Thank you for watching our adventure today.
We hope you learned many new English words.
Don't forget to practice them every day.
If you liked this video, please click the like button.
And subscribe to Mr. English Tales for more stories.
Leave a comment below. What is your favorite farm animal?
We love reading your comments.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.